So anyway, guys, as you heard, we're going to be doing a system test. So let me give you a brief overview. It's 10:54. We'll be testing at 11. Can I show you out my window? No, I cannot show you out my window, or else I will expose my address. But it is a very nice day. You can look out this window. It's a nice day. Anyway, here we have the Wheelock E70 speaker strobe, but it is operating as a remote strobe at the moment. Here we're gonna have the Genesis, EST Genesis, forgot the name of it. And this will be doing code 3, since that's the default, and that's pretty much all it can do. Here we have the SIGA 278. I'm gonna move this out of the way. Here we have the 278. Yeah, not much to say there. I put this fire extinguisher up and the smoke alarms. I'm not sure if I showed you that in the last one. And then we have the Simplex T-Bar dual action, but I took out the little dual action thing, so it's a single action. And as always, we have the, well, not as always, but like before, we have the Gentex Commando 3 over there. So let's wait till 11. Alright, so it is 10:59. I forgot my hearing protection, hold on. Okay, hearing protection is on. And there we go, 11 o'clock. So let's start off by pulling the SIGA 278. And in 3, 2, 1. Well, that's a fail. I forgot to unsilence the system. Hold on. Alright. We're back. And 11 o'clock, let's go. 3, 2, 1. And there we go, audible silence. Okay. Let's reset this. Let's see how good my one-handed reset is. Oh, not bad. And now, let's pull the, T-bar. 3, 2, 1. I did it again. I forgot to unsilence it. Hold on. I'll just show you guys the resetting process anyway. Alright. It's unsilenced. Okay. And in 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's reset it now. Silence. Okay, that was loud. Got the key here. Let's see, wrong key. Where is it? There it is. Upside down. There we go. And just like that, it's fully reset. And I'm still working on getting the i3 all set up. But yeah, if you enjoyed, leave a like. I'm gonna send the closing announcement real quick.